Welcome to Flipped Classroom. Today I'm going to review how to peer edit using Canvas. From the home screen, click on Module, scroll down to where it says Essay 1 for peer review. You've already submitted your essay. I've assigned peer edit partners. So step 3 is to download the peer edit form. So you'd open it up, you can save it in your Google Drive, wherever is best. Let's open it up and take a look. You will see that it'll ask you some questions. For example, does the essay begin with a hook or catchy opening? If yes, why did you like it? And or why did it make the essay seem interesting? So in the lines, you could go ahead and type your answer. And you'd go through and answer all the questions with complete sentences. Filling out this form will take you approximately 20 minutes, so plan your time. The next step is to also use the Canvas markup tools on the essay. I will show you how to do this. On the right side of the screen, you will see the names, the two essays you've been assigned to read. Click on those names. If the essay doesn't pop up immediately, click in the right-hand corner where it says View Feedback, and that will open up the essay. If you want it to be bigger, click this arrow, and it will also enlarge it for the screen as well. When you're reading the essay, if you want to highlight something to draw attention to it, you'd use the highlight tool. If you wanted to cross something out, you could use the cross-out tool. If you wanted to add information in the essay, you can type it directly and change the font color so it stands out. Or you can leave a tag and type your comment in the comment box. You will notice that other students will also be commenting on the essay, so you may see other comments there as well, but yours will show up with your name. Once you've used the highlight tool or the cross-out tool, it automatically saves. There is no save tab for you to touch. That is step 1. Step 2 is to go back once again and fill out the peer edit form. You are going to upload the peer edit form. So in the box, you would type hit attachment, and you would add the file right here so your classmate can read the peer edit form. Hit submit. So let me review. There are 2 steps. Step 1 is to use the markup tools, the highlighters, the strikeouts, and the comments. Step 2 is to upload the complete peer edit form so your classmate can see your full comments. If you have difficulty with any of these steps, please click on Help to contact the Canvas Help Desk. It is open 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can also send me a message, but I will not respond to it as quickly. The Help Desk is there to help you with the peer edit using the Canvas markup tools and uploading the peer edit forms. I look forward to reviewing your work. Thank you for joining me in Flipped Classroom.